We are RLWRLD. We are robotics foundation model company. Recently, we released our first open source model, RLWRLD 1. Now it's the world's best vision language action model to control your humanoid. We are now focusing on the 5-finger dexterity. We have 3 offices in San Francisco, in the US, and Tokyo, Japan, and Seoul, Korea.
Yeah, it was like a fantastic experience so that we could just meet many startups in many different countries in the global market, like France, Italy, and then some other parts of the global. And then also we could meet some many large enterprises which has like a very strong technological background in specific areas, like maybe some memory, right? And then also some battery, and some also others, maybe CPU and some other areas, so that we could discuss many other maybe collaboration ideas and then share some the company strengths and then understand their strengths. And then we could also just build some collaboration pathway going forward. That's a great experience.
Yeah, I believe that East Asia, we have a lot of potential about physical AI and the humanoid. Definitely, now we are the globally #1 robotics foundation model company. So after that, we will release a lot of very nice models to the market to elaborate the power of East Asian robotics ecosystem. So just over the East Asia, we'd like to be the kind of global leader of this the robotics AI.